and most of the students generally fear from this subject. The reason behind this is not that the subject is actually very tough, but the students are least interested in self-learning, and they are more dependent on teachers. They actually depend that whatever will be taught in the class, only they will study that notes, and they try to write the examination on the basis of that. So the motivation for coming up with the ATM model was, we thought, why not study mathematics anytime with the help of assistant teacher mentors? And for that, self-learning is very important. Basically, to develop the habit of self-learning in students, we came up with this ATM model. So what was the experiment that we did? The model was basically innovated in 2018, and it was experimented on BSc semester 2, 4, and 6 students of Hislop College, Nagpur. And what we did, from each semesters, we selected 16 students who willingly volunteered themselves as the assistant teacher mentors, and we named them as ATM, assistant teacher mentors, ATM. Then these ATM were divided into 8 pairs, and the whole syllabus was were divided in such a way so that each pair got 1 unit to prepare, and then self-study, and then prepare study material for each unit. They were given 15 days time. During that time, they had to self-study each unit, and they had to prepare the study material, whatever they understood. Then the teachers in charge went thoroughly with the study materials, and under the supervision of head of the department, we made the necessary corrections wherever it was required. And then the study materials were printed in the form of a handbook cum workbook for all the semesters 2, 4, and 6. These are the ISBN numbers that were assigned to all these books, and I have included the image of the book that were printed that time. You can see here in figure 1, we have the handbook cum workbook that was printed for BSc semester 2, and then for BSc semester 4, and then BSc semester 6. Okay, so what was the use of these books? Means why we required to printed these books when we collected the study materials from these students? The main aim behind printing this book was that we wanted to develop the habit of self-learning among the students. So we printed the books in such a way that every left side of the book was printed, but the other side, or that is the right side of the book, was empty. And the reason behind it was that because we wanted to make students to study or go through the printed material that is on the left side of the book, and then close and then hide it with some paper or anything, the written material, and then try to recall everything whatever they have studied and write it on the right side of the empty page. Okay, after these process, we made sitting arrangements for the students for in each semester, and the sitting arrangements were made twice a week, and the arrangements were in such a way that whole class was divided in groups using the concept that is analogous to modulo 8. We will see it in table 1, and this sitting arrangements were made in such a way that each group were having at least one ATM. You can see the table that we had made. Okay, so you can see there are total 8 groups, and the students were divided in such a way that at least each one group is getting at least one ATM. Okay, so after in these sitting arrangements, the ATM helped the students of their respective groups in understanding doubts from their assigned units, and the groups were formed in such a way that all the students got an opportunity to understand all the 8 units with the help of the ATM. We made these sitting arrangements twice a week so that each units should be covered by each and every students. Okay, and so the students, those who shared their time in the self-learning process, were named as gained by sharing time, GST. When we hear the word GST, we generally know that it is goods and service taxes, where we lose something. But in this innovative model, students were not losing, but they were gaining something. And that's why we named it as gain by sharing time, which was abbreviated as GST. So what were the parameters in this experiment? First, we required dedicated ATMs dedicated assistant teacher mentors who were willingly volunteering them to help these students, then teachers in charge, and then students with the benefits of GST. So what were the results that we obtained from this experiment? We can see that if we talk about normal teaching process, then it takes at least almost 3 months for two teachers to complete all the units, or you can say complete the syllabus for both the papers. But with the help of this model, it took only 1.5 months to complete the syllabus of mathematics. 15 days were taken by students to prepare the material, and in 1 month, all the 8 units were cleared to each and every student. So also there were one benefit that we saw with the help of this experiment, that generally what happens, students feel very hesitated or afraid of coming to teachers directly. But when we assigned ATM to them, they felt free to ask their doubts to them. And since they were their peers, so they were very comfortable with them, which also helped them to clear their doubts. And they enjoyed basically learning mathematics. So you can see students enjoyed learning mathematics, and with the help of this model, what happened, students were also used to basically this model developed a habit of self-study in them. It developed a habit of self-study in ATMs also, but as well as rest of the students also. And this habit of self-study not only prepared them for writing their examinations, but it prepared them for their futures also, for their higher studies and research also. Okay, so what is the conclusion? That ATM models makes learning mathematics enjoyable for students, and in this method, the teachers play the role of the facilitators, because we are making the process somewhat easy. But the main are ATM model and GST. We are, you can say, mediator or facilitators, and students, those who are self-learners and take the benefits of GST. This model have many other benefits also. This model not only make the subject easy and self-learning for students, but also engages students with a small number of teachers. And that's why it is cost effective. And it takes less time to complete the syllabus, as well as it is by the students for the students. We are getting the material from the students. We are giving materials and help to the students. That's why this model is basically by the students and for the students. And hence, we experimented in our department, but since this method is by the students for the students, it can be applied to each and every department. Other department can also think of applying this model. So this is the reference that we have followed. Thank you. Students.
Yeah.
Sir, it is basically only for gaining knowledge. It is no source of money earning, sir.
So, is there any thought in your mind that the money earning model should be created?
So right now I do not have idea. Maybe in future we can think of. But I think, sir, this model is basically designed only for students. So I think we will not think of making it as money earning.
This is good model. I like it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.